Okay, so on to our next activity. A couple of vocabulary words before we begin. First of all, we have the word pitch. The pitch is the highness or lowness of a sound. And a word that goes along with pitch is frequency. Frequency is the number of vibrations that occur in a unit of time. So if a sound has a high pitch, it has a high frequency. And if it has a low pitch, it has a low frequency. Okay, so the next activity is one you've probably seen before. It is just filling up cups with different amounts of water and then tapping on them. So I've got my cups here, and you can see that I have 5 of them here. So we've got the blue, the green, the yellow, the pinkish red color, and then I've got one without any water in it here at the end. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on each of these once. And then the one at the end. And I can even sometimes play a song. Let's see if I can do this. Okay, so definitely not perfect pitch, but hopefully you heard Mary Had a Little Lamb. This is a fun, easy activity to do, and you don't need to put the food coloring in. The food coloring just makes it a little bit more interesting. So that the last thing I want to talk about before I move on to the next activity is the word volume. Let me see. There we go. Volume is the loudness of a sound. So if I tap very lightly, okay, this has a soft volume. The harder I tap, it has a loud volume. Okay, so when we talk about pitch, we're talking about high and low. And when we talk about volume, we're talking about we're talking about soft and loud. Okay, so those are easy to get confused, and so we'll work with those and talk about those more. Okay, that's it for this one.